Hello and welcome. I hope you are having a great day. In this video, we'll understand what is text pre-processing in context of NLP or natural language processing. So here we'll understand what do we do and why do we need to do the text pre-processing, because the text is not so clean and all the words and commas, this, that, this is off, at these kind of things should be removed. How it's done? Let's understand. So what is text pre-processing in NLP? So the context is that raw text is messy and inconsistent. The raw text that we have, it has a lot of things that should not be there, and it is not in a proper format also. It's inconsistent, so it needs some cleaning. Okay, this is because we need to feed it to the models, so deep learning models, for them to learn. So in the way they need it, in context of that, it is messy, it has a lot of things which is not needed, and it is inconsistent, it is not in a consistent format. Okay, because say for example, I am something something, this is also there, and there is am I something something something. So both of these are correct, right? So doesn't we cannot find like there's some consistency in the language, because there are so many forms that same things can be used because of that. So but the machines need some patterns, some consistent way that they can understand. So how do we transition from this inconsistent way to a consistent format, cleaning all the things that is not needed? That is the whole idea of text pre-processing stage. Okay, so there are two things that we do the cleaning part. We remove all the punctuations, comma, like smiley, there's a smiley like that, or there are other emojis that we use. All those things are irrelevant. Hmm? Then we lowercase, when the cases like name with a capital letter, etc. We just want to know what is noun, what is verb. That will work fine for the machine to understand. It doesn't need capital letter, small letter, etc. So everything is converted to a lowercase. Stop word removal. This is off. These kind of things which are always there. It don't give any value or meaning to the sentence. They're just like punctuations and these kind of things. These are stop words, no value, not much value basically. And stripping of the special characters, emojis, etc. Everything should be removed. So that's the idea of cleaning. Get rid of everything that is not language, not proper word, that doesn't give me any, like every sentence will have a subject, the doer, the predicate on which it is doing, like that, some verb that will happen. So sentence has certain format in the grammar. So all these things are relevant. Rest everything is adjectives, adverbs. Those are things are important, but rest of things will get rid of. Okay. So that's the whole idea. Cleaning. Then we do stemming and lemmatization. I'll explain this later. Okay. Reducing words to the root form. So the words like run, run, running, runner, like this. So all these are like same word. At the root there is run only, but there are so many like few, fewer, fewest, new, newer, newest, like that. So these words are like same, but we want only the root word. Rest of things can be formed, and similar words can be formed by just putting those suffixes at the end. So all these things, all these, the suffix means what is happening at the end. All these things can be the end part can be truncated off, and only the root can be kept. Okay, so that's the whole idea of stemming and lemmatization. So we'll see. Let's see how it's done. So first we'll do cleaning. So what do we do? Remove punctuation, lowercasing, convert it into lowercase, stop word removal, and stripping. So let's see an example, then you'll understand. So we have a smiley, hi, like that, hello, hello smiley we give, and then together we will learn NLP or natural language processing within brackets and 3 exclamation marks. So this is the sentence that we have. So after cleaning, what will happen? I'll get rid of this smiley, gone, no read. This comma will be gone. This bracket will be gone. These exclamation marks, everything will be gone. Everything will be made to small case. So it will become hello, learn. Okay, hello. And stop words also will, together we will, everything will go off. So learn is important. Hello, learn, NLP, and natural language processing. So together we will, this is not important. These are stop words. Hello is there, hello. I'm just saying hello. So these kind of thing, these words will go off also. So this will what we'll get after we have done lower casing. So everything you see natural language processing, I was doing NLP was in capital, NLP, everything has been converted to smaller case. And just everything which is not needed, which is not relevant for it to make a meaning of the sentence, that is gone. and now this is the cleaned up version. This is only relevant, and this is what will be used for the further steps that will be fed finally into the machine learning model. So this has been cleaned now. Now next things, stemming. So there are two ways with the stemming. Then we do lemmatization. Stemming means we just take the stem of the word out. So this is like reduce words to their root form by chopping off the words at the end. Suffixes, the ends, end will be there. So there's a word. So this is the suffix. Say run ing. So this is a root. This is a suffix ing. Run runner, like that. Run ner. R. Just let me do once more. Run ing. Runner, like that. This is your root. This is your suffix. So we just keep the root. So sometimes the root may not be meaningful also. So often resulting in non-dictionary root. So we may not have like, we just chop off the word at the end. So something which are common, we will just keep that and then we just chop it off. Okay. And that may not be some meaningful word. It may be a non-dictionary word as roots. But this is very fast. We just chop off the suffix and it's very fast. You can just clean up to make it like a root word only. So for example, let's see with the example. Running was considered better than going to gym. And after, so there are different ways. There are algorithms for stemming. So there's a Porter stemmer, one of the algorithms. So Porter stemmer is there. So using this algorithm, stemming algorithm, what we got was, so instead of running, we got run. Was truncated to wa. Considered was only considered, because considered we can considered, considering. Okay, consider, everything can be made from consider. We can make consider, considering, like that. Consideration, and the other words can also be made. So it just chopped off to consider. Then better was better only, than was than only, going was converted to go, to was only to, and gym is gym. So you see here the consider and was and then these two have been, and running was run. So this is what it did. It just chopped off the word at certain things and just stemmed off. So only the root is there. It's gone. So this is what is stemming. Similar thing we do in lemmatization, but in lemmatization, the root word is a dictionary word. It has some meaning. So this lemma comes from the root of this dictionary. This has some meaning. Okay. This is a meaning. So the meaning will be there. Reduce words to their root form, that is dictionary based form or lemma. So input, same thing, running was considered better than going to gym. Same thing using another algorithm, that is word net lemmatizer. So there we saw Porter stem, and now there's a lemmatizer, different algorithm, word net. This output will be, running will be lemmatized to run. Was will go to its root form. Was will become be. Understand? Be, was, been. These are the three past tense, past participle. English revision. So these are the forms of be. Was root form is be, like that. Considered will become consider, present tense here. Better will become good, better, best. So than, go to gym, like that. So this will be, all these root words will have some meaning, and that will come from dictionary. Dictionary are based on, that is the lemma. So that's the difference between stemming and lemmatization. So we use either stemming or lemmatization depending. The cleaning is common, but we use either stemming or lemmatization depending upon the use case. What is the use case? If we want accuracy, then we go for lemmatization. For example, chatbots. So the words should be accurate. It should tell the complete thing in a human understandable format. So that time we'll go for lemmatization when accuracy is important. But when the speed is important, when we have a very large, massive data set and we want to do processing of that, in that with that time we go for stemming. That okay, let me process this, and the exact word may not be so important. I just want to get processed and get some kind of similarity meaning of all the words. Okay, so that in that case, in very massive data sets, we go for stemming when the speed is important, because this is very fast. I don't care whether it's a root word or not, just truncate suffix depending upon the algorithm. I hope this is clear, the use case. So these are we use either lemmatization or stemming, not both. Cleaning is common, then we go for stemming or lemmatization depending upon the use case. Okay, so this is your text pre-processing stage. Now, if this is clear, we'll move to the next thing which is called tokenization. So we'll convert these, after this pre-processed text, we'll convert them into tokens or token numbers. We'll see why it's required, how it's done in the next video. So that's all for this video, and bye for now.